Hello and welcome to Yoga with Julia Wylie. I'm Julia and today we're going to be doing 10 minutes yoga for arms. So this is designed to get some long, lean, toned arm muscles. We're going to start off with some strength building and toning moves for arms, and then we're going to go on to some deep arm stretches. And for the second part of the class you're going to want to have a strap or a belt. It doesn't have to be a special yoga belt, but just something that you can hold like this. So let's begin. Start off with your legs apart, bring your left foot out and the right foot in about 45 degrees and bring the arms up into a warrior two arms and bend down the front knee. And let's do some little pulses up and down. And then take the palms up towards the ceiling. You might not feel this at the beginning, but by the end I'm sure you will. So let's bring them down and up. And then reach up. Let's switch the legs over to the other side. Warrior two. So we might as well use our leg muscles while we're toning our arms. Let's again do little pulses here. Arms down to start. And then palms up. And then let's go down and up. And then reach the arms up. Let's swap the legs over the other way. And let's do some little arm circles. Just round and round one way. Are you feeling it on your arms yet? And then round and round the other way. And then let's do some big circles. And reverse. And reach the arms up, swap legs over the other way. And let's do again some arm circles, one way. Little ones to start. And then reverse. And some big arm circles. And reverse. And then bring the legs straight, bring your arms out in front of you, really stretch them out long and just move your hands up and down. So this is working mainly on the wrists and the lower arm muscles. And then take the side to side. You can't go very far with this move, but it just works some little muscles that we often miss. Let's go again, up and down. And side to side. And some big circles again around. Taking nice deep breaths. And the other way. Reach up, bring the arms out. Now keeping the upper arms parallel to the mat, just bend the elbows, bringing the hands in and out. And breathing nice and deep and smooth. Keep it up. Let's do two more. One more. Hold it, stretch out through the fingertips and give your arms a shake out. Well then, now step up to the front of the mat, hands into Namaste, and then reach out and up, overhead, lengthening, and then keep the spine straight, come to a flat back and do little pulses up and down with your arms. And then take the hands behind you, clasp and lift them up, and let's do little pulses here. Holding the tummy in nice and firmly, legs strong. Release and hang down. Give your hands and arms a little bit of a shake out here. And then bend your knees until you can get your hands on the floor. Walk yourself back into a plank pose. So you bring your body parallel to the mat and make sure that your shoulder and your elbows are stacked over your hands. So you don't want to be back here. Hold it. Press into the mat, keeping the arms nice and long. And then shift your weight a little bit to the side. Take up one arm and then over to the other side. Let's do that a few times. So look down as you keep going. One arm and the other up towards the ceiling. And hold it again into that plank. Again, adjust it if you need to so that you're really over your wrists. Now come to your knees if you like, or else lower slowly to the mat. Bending the elbows, keeping them very close to the body. Come all the way down onto your tummy and press up into a cobra. Looking back. Take a couple of breaths here. And lower yourself down. Well done. Take the arms out to the sides. And again, little pulses with your arms up and down. And then take the hands behind your back, clasp them, lift up as high as you can, working your back as well here. Little pulses with the hands up and down. And release. Press yourself back into child's pose, stretching the arms out in front. Walk your fingertips away from you and pull back with your hips so you can feel a lengthening of the arms all the way from the shoulders to the fingertips. Take a breath. And then come into tabletop pose, hands underneath the shoulders, tuck your toes under and press up into downward facing dog. Now push the mat away with your arms and your fingers press into the mat, strengthening the fingers. And breathe. And then come down onto your knees and onto your elbows. Clasp your hands together so your elbows are about shoulder width apart, hands clasped in front of you, and push up into the dolphin pose. So you want to have your face and your forehead back parallel with your elbows here, holding it, and then bring yourself forwards so your chin is right over your clasped hands. Hold it here and take it back in. You should really feel this in your arms. Hold it back here and again come forwards, chin over the hands. And one more time, take it back, hold, and bring yourself forwards. Well done, bring the knees down, hands out in front, and press back again into child's pose. Bring yourself again down onto your tummy, bring the arms out in front, little pulses, lift up, and then arms to the sides, lifting them up, presses. Behind you, clasp them, lift them up again, little pulses here. And then we're going to do some swim strokes, so reach forwards and round and back as if you were swimming. Forwards and round, and take it all the way behind, touching the hands. So like a breaststroke to start with, and then hands touch. Let's do that one more time. Reach forwards, round, hold back for a moment, lifting the arms up, and press back again into child's pose. Well done. Relax. We're going to go into some lovely arm stretches now. So I'm going to turn my back to you so you can see what I'm doing a bit better. Have your strap ready for this one. Sit yourself in a cross-legged position or whatever's comfortable with a nice straight spine. Bring your strap up in your hands about shoulder width apart and pull back with your arms as far as you can. Holding it here, lengthening up. And then we're going to start bending our elbows. Now keep pressing backwards all the time as you slowly lower the arms down. Come down as low as you can, squeezing the elbows back towards each other, squeezing the elbows and squeezing the shoulders back. And then slowly take the arms back up again. Keep pressing back. Your arms might shake when you're doing this until the arms are completely straight, stretching them long, pull back. And then take your arms to one side, hold it here. And then to the other side and hold. And then both back up again, stretch long. And then release. Now take a strap behind your back, hold it with your hands and lift your arms up. And let's do some little pulses here. And then lift the arms as high as you can get them, hold it. And release. Now clasp your hands and snuggle them into one side of your waist. Press the elbows back towards each other. Take a breath. And then take it over to the other side again. Squeeze the elbows back. And release. Well done. Take your arms up overhead now. Big inhale, palms to touch. And exhale down. And one more big breath in. Reach, inhale. And exhale down. Well done, everybody. Namaste. Please do join me for some of my other videos and let me know what you thought of this one in the comments below. I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.